Wish. You gain wish. Wish that is blood body.
Mount your camera on the tripod, use portrait mode, record an empty background for 4 or 5 seconds. Then after that, you can now throw this your jacket. Look at it. Then you can now come back and pick it up again. Then you go out and put on the jacket. Then you return back for the second time. Alright? As you return back now, you just make a jump. Stay there for a few seconds again. Then you can now walk out. Okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Put your video to workspace. Click on your video, go and locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Let's mark out an empty background we want to use. Before you throw that cloth, you click on it, make a split. Then go and look for overlay, guys. Locate overlay, okay? Click on overlay, click on this one, drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you come here. As you throw this cloth, immediately before it gets to the ground, you make a split. And look at the result. Good. Then you locate where you jump up. Let's go and locate where we jump up. Locate where you jump up now. Immediately you jump up. Click on it and make a split. Delete this center part. We don't need it again. Click this one. Take it to align with the other one. Alright. Bring it to align with this one. After that, now we are going to be marking out this jump up. Alright. This place. Click here and make a split here. Alright. Then you locate where you are about standing up. This place. We are going to click it again here and make another split. Okay. Delete that middle part. Click this one to align. After here now, then you come back to this first part. Click it. Click this first part. Before, look at as this cloth. Immediately you throw it. Look at here. Go and look for remove BG. Remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Custom removal. Then you can reduce the size. After reducing it now, then you mark out this your clothes. Mark out the jacket. Take time so that you make sure you paint only the jacket. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell, click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, we are still on marking out our jacket, so you do it gradually. Look at what I am doing. Don't rush so that you will not make me. After that, you allow it to remove completely. Now it's removing. It has removed completely. Mark on that good. Now mark on that good. Look at the result. Alright, so at this point, this is what it will look like. Good. So at this point, click on this second one. Click on auto removal. Allow it to remove completely as well. Where you jump up, mark on that good and go back. So click it and drag it under this first one. Click it now. Click it now. Add key. Add your keyframe. Then you cropple the image. Cropple the image. Cropple it inside that suit. Cropple it inside that blazer. After croppling it now, then you adjust the video a bit and start pulling it out again. Look at what I am doing. Follow this step so that you don't make mistake. Pull it out, then you position it the way you want it to be. After that now, look at the result of the video. Let us see what it's going to look like. Look at the result. Good. Do you see it now? Look at the result. Good. So what we are going to be doing is click on this last layer and make it align with this very one, this second one, or the third one. Make it align. Make it align there. After that, let's play it now and see the result. Look at the result. Look at what it looked like. Okay. So click here now and make a split. Because we have gotten what we want. Click on the first one, make a split. Delete that first one. Delete this second one. So at this point now, this video is ready. Look at the result again. You see, this is good, this is good, this is good. So at this point, this video, I think and I feel, is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect as the case may be. Then after that, you can now export your video and share it to your social media handles. Okay, but maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add those things. Then after that, can be able to export your video. But there is another thing you need to understand here. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. Okay, if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video. After watching it, then you come back. You now know how to export this your video with ease. Then you can now export this video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.